Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking for a small smart speaker but not sure which one to get? Today we're comparing the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation and the Google Nest Mini to help you decide. The Echo Dot has a round ball shape and it comes in colors like charcoal, white, and deep sea blue. It measures about 4 inches across, and the Nest Mini is flatter like a hockey puck, and it comes in chalk, charcoal, coral, and sky colors. Both look nice, but the Nest Mini can mount on walls, which the Echo Dot can't do easily. Here's where things get interesting. The Echo Dot 5th generation has a bigger speaker that creates better bass and clearer sound. It fills small rooms really well, and the Nest Mini sounds good for talking and podcasts. But the music isn't as rich. If you love listening to music, the Echo Dot wins this round hands down. The Echo Dot works with Alexa, while the Nest Mini uses Google Assistant. Both can answer questions, set timers, and control your smart home. But the Echo Dot has extra sensors for temperature and movement. You can create routines like turning on lights when you walk into a room or starting a fan when it gets too hot. Both cost about the same, around $50. The Echo Dot is newer, from 2022, while the Nest Mini came out in 2019. If you already use Google services like Gmail or Google Calendar, the Nest Mini fits in better. If you shop on Amazon or have other Alexa devices, go with the Echo Dot. The Echo Dot 5th generation is the better choice for most people. It has better sound, newer features, and those helpful temperature and motion sensors. The Nest Mini is still good if you're already deep in the Google world. That's our comparison. Which one are you getting? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.